Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.
Over a quarter of Asian Pacific emerging giant startups tied to blockchain report. A KPMG or HSBC survey finds NFTs and DeFi are more popular with Asian Pacific big startups than EV charging, quantum computing, and a host of other new technologies. The Asia Pacific region is seeing a major business shift with increasing numbers of new technology startups appearing, even as venture capital investment is decreasing compared to last year. A report from Big Four accountant KPMG and international banking company HSBC, based on a survey of 6,472 Asian Pacific startups, found that over a quarter of them are blockchain related. Non-fungible tokens or NFTs led the way among sectors where Asian Pacific emerging giants were active, followed directly by decentralized finance, also known as DeFi, electric vehicle charging infrastructure, quantum computing, and robotic processing automation round out the top five sectors. Blockchain, real estate, and decentralized autonomous organizations rank 14th and 15th, respectively, on the same list. Despite their strong collective presence, blockchain-related companies were most common in the lower ranks. Among the top 100 emerging giants, only 5 were blockchain-related, and only one, Hong Kong's Chateon Gaming, a play-to-earn platform, ranked in the top 10. Two crypto financial survive unicorns, Hong Kong's Amber Group and Singaporean Matrix Sport, did not make it into the top 100. The report looked at 12 Asian Pacific countries, which account for 94.8% of all companies surveyed. The majority of new technology companies were located in mainland China, 32.8%, and India, 30.1%, Japan, 12.7%, and Australia, 8.7%, trailed in third and fourth places. The report explained the most successful companies are focusing on local specializations. The report notes, citing China's capabilities in piloting and testing digital platform as an example. Although China has banned cryptocurrency trading, its CNY central bank digital currency is accepted by more than 4.5 million merchants across the country. India allows crypto trading but has complicated traders' lives with a punishing tax regime. A KPMG or HSBC survey finds NFTs and DeFi are more popular with Asian Pacific big startups.
So, thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.